crash or fall happens so quickly. The injury happens before you have time to make sense of it, and then the calls start. An insurance adjuster wants a recorded statement. The doctor wants to know how you're going to pay for your medical bills. Your boss wants to know when you'll be back to work. You're left dealing with pain, medical appointments, missed work, and a claim process that seems overwhelming. If you're searching for a Tomah Personal Injury Lawyer after a car crash, trucking accident, farming accident, or trip and fall in Monroe County or anywhere in western Wisconsin, this video is for you. Wisconsin personal injury claims can involve auto accident laws, premises liability rules, products liability statutes, and deadlines that you probably don't even know exist. I'm Craig Steger. I'm a personal injury attorney with more than 20 years of experience handling serious injury cases, including trials against big insurance companies. Here are 3 things you need to know after a Tomah personal injury accident. Number 1, you don't have to give a recorded statement before speaking with a lawyer. Insurance adjusters may act like a recorded statement is routine. They may tell you they just want your side of the story. If you're in pain, on medication, or still confused, overwhelmed, and learning what happened, a recorded statement can create problems later on. You may not know the full extent of your injuries yet. You may not know what other witnesses saw, and you may not know whether there was a video, a defective condition, a safety rule violation, or maybe some insurance policy that applies to your case. Before you give a recorded statement, you should understand who is asking for it, what insurance company they represent, whether you are legally required to give it, and how it could affect your claim. Number 2, try to photograph and document everything. This is especially important if the injury involves a temporary condition. Ice melts, a broken step finally gets repaired, a wet floor gets mopped, cars and machinery get moved, repaired, or even lost. If you can do it safely, take photos and video from multiple angles. Try to show the condition that caused the injury. Show the surrounding areas. Try to get names and phone numbers for witnesses. Write down what happened while it is still fresh in your mind. If there may be surveillance video from a gas station, home, city, or nearby business, that video needs to get requested quickly before it is deleted or recorded over. In a Tomah personal injury claim, video evidence can be the difference between a strong case and an insurance company denying your claim. Number 3, get medical attention and follow the doctor's recommendations. Do not tough it out. That can hurt your health and it can hurt your case. If you're injured, get checked out. Tell the medical providers what hurts and where it hurts. Don't exaggerate, but also don't minimize your injuries. If your neck hurts, say your neck hurts. If your back hurts, tell them where your back hurts. If symptoms get worse over the next few days, report that too. Then follow the treatment plan. Go to your doctor's appointments. Follow up with specialists and testing if your doctor refers you. Insurance companies look for delays or gaps in treatment. They look for missed doctor's appointments. They look for any excuse to argue that you were not really hurt or that something else caused your problems. Good medical care protects your health, and it also creates the documentation needed to prove what the injury did to your life. Those are the first 3 things to remember after a Tomah personal injury. And if a case involves an unavoidable death, the family also needs guidance from a wrongful death lawyer who understands Wisconsin law and how these claims are handled. If you have questions after a serious injury in Tomah or the surrounding area, call or text the number on the screen. And if you want to understand what happens next, just watch the next video on the screen or the pinned video below where I explain the entire process of a Wisconsin personal injury claim from start to finish.